I absolutely love all of the pretty colors in this phone case and that there is a little bit of a shimmer to it. And it's super convenient that it comes with the screen protector and the camera lens protector, because then you know your entire phone is going to be protected. And all of it was really easy to install, and this is how you do it. You first start with these wipes that are included. They are numbered 1 and 2. The first one cleans your screen, and then the second one dries it off. Next, you use this dust absorber sticker. Just get off any specks of dust that might still be sitting on the surface. Next, you take these guide stickers and put them on the bottom of the screen protector. Be sure to hold your screen protector at the edges so that you don't get any fingerprints on that. Be sure to put it on the opposite side of where the film is. Once you have both of those stickers in place on the screen protector, you can line it up with your phone. So you haven't taken the adhesive sticker off yet. You're just getting in place where you want it to be and then securing it in place. Then once it's in place, you can lift the screen protector and pull off the film. And then once that adhesive layer is removed, you could put the protective screen down. Next, we will put on the case. We will start by putting the camera cover on in the back. That just slides right into place. And then next, we're gonna add this bumper that will protect the front of your screen. And then we just add the back case, and it all snaps right into place. So now our phone is completely protected and looks really pretty.